Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create folders in the Notes app. So to create a folder, you're just going to press the select folder button on the bottom left corner of your screen. Select new folder, or you can even create new smart folder. I'm just going to create new folder and I'm just going to name it ideas, and then press save. And then to this folder you can create more notes here, and it's just going to be more organized. You can move this folder, rename it, view attachments, sort notes, and I think your test. You can even add a folder in that folder if you'd like. To delete, just press edit here, and I'm just going to go to ideas and press delete, and that's it. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!